thinks you can make $50K a month with AI and zero experience. But that's exactly why most people fail. And they chase the screenshot, not the system. So I actually tested 5 different AI content side hustle with real money, real client, and real platform. So where $2 for 2400 earn, 2 ways I lost money, and one hustle that completely surprised me. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly which of these is worth one and for selling your dream. So first, that everybody thinks that AI logo gigs are easy money, generate a design in Midjourney and sell it for $20 and repeat. But that's exactly why most people fail. Because if AI makes it easy for you, it makes it easy for 10,000 seller also. So successful people don't compete on speed, they compete on positioning, review, pricing, and standing out in a flooded market. So here's how it play out. I set up a Fiverr gig, priced logo $15 to stay competitive, and used Midjourney plus manual vector cleanup. But each order took me nearly 45 to 90 minutes, and Fiverr took 20% commission. So payment held after 14 days, and the work was real, but the client were happy. But after fees and time, it barely cleared minimum wages. If you understand this, you will never fail for AI makes it effortless again. Effortless for you means effortless for your competition too. So now it comes your the laptop lifestyle pitch. Means what? Everyone thinks that a guy on the beach with his laptop making $50K a month from Shopify and lying to you is lying to you. But that's exactly why most people fail to spot the real trap. It's not a lie. That's what makes it dangerous. So successful people learn to spot survivorship bias before they spend a dollar. So the ad shows you the 1 to 2% who made it. It never shows you the 98% who spent the same money and got nothing. So here's how it works. The ad show revenue screenshot, a laptop on a beach, no experience needed, and fake urgency. 3 spot left. What it never shows is the year of failed and store before that one win, and the ad spend, the team behind the scene, and the fact that almost nobody replicates the result. So if you understand, okay, so if you understand this, you will never reverse engineering your strategy from one outlier. I highlights real again, and you will ask for the distribution, not the best case study. So your third comes AI voiceover for small businesses. Everyone thinks the AI side hustles that pays is the flashy one, and logos, faceless channel, dropshipping stores. But that's exactly why most people fail to notice the boring hustle sitting right in front of them. Successful people go what? Successful people go real. Understood? Successful people go real, unglamorous, demand and already existed. The small people don't want hype. They want $50 to $200 voiceover for their next ad, which delivers same day. So here's how it works. I used AI voice tool like ElevenLabs and Murf to deliver professional sounding voiceovers in hours instead of days. And for local businesses, e-commerce, brand, coaches, and agencies pay nearly 20% of platform cut and client left review. So some come back for repeat work. So if you understand this, you will stop chasing the prettiest and AI side hustles and start chasing the one where someone already has a budget and a problem you can solve today. So everyone thinks that AI side hustle means one single silver bullet, but that's exactly why most people fail. They pick the loudest opportunity instead of most sustainable one. So successful people run the number before they run the hustle. Hourly rate, after fees, repeat client, potential, and whether real demand already exists or not. So out of 5 hustle, $2400 earn, 2 they lost money, and 1 clear winner. So AI voiceover for small business, real client, real budget, and real recurring revenue. If you understand this, you will never look at any easy AI money ad. So the same way again, you will ask what it actually pays per hour, not just what it sells you on. So if you want the full breakdown with the exact number from all 5 hustle, drop it in the description. So and subscribe it if you want the next round of text. So if you like the video, so please support me, provide some subscribe buttons and click on the like button. Every description and every PDF is available in the description, so go and check it out. We'll meet on next video. For that, bye.